Welcome back everybody. Today we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Kies die woorde met 'n. Ek gaan vir jou nou 3 woordjies gee en jy moet kies watter woord pas by die prentjie. You are going to choose the correct word that matches the picture. So maats, julle moet nou baie mooi kyk sodat jy die regte woordjie kies. Are you ready? Here we go. Bus, lug, sug. Dit is 'n bus. Dun, hut, mus. Hut is reg. Kus, rug, lug. Kus. Dun, kus, hut. Die boek is dun. Lug, rug, bus. Dit is lug. Rus, mus, kus. Die antwoord is mus. Rug, lug, kus. Rug. Rus, sug, hut. Ouma rus. Put, mus, bul. Die antwoord is bul. Sus, put, bus. Put is die regte antwoord. Bul, vul, put. Dit is vul. Vul, nul, rug. Nul. Well done everybody, I'm so proud of you. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that we can learn more next time. Have a blessed day and please be good. Take care. Tot volgende keer maats, totsiens.